In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Great Start Academy won and decided to send St. Catherine Prep first. This section runs for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with St. Catherine Prep and Bible knowledge. How many daughters did Philip the Evangelist have according to the New Testament?
3.
Incorrect, 4. Great start. According to the New Testament, the clothing of John the Baptist was made of the hair of which animal?
Camel.
Correct. International affairs, it's a visual. St. Catherine, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Ethiopia.
That's correct. International affairs, it's a visual for Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Poland or Indonesia? Indonesia.
Incorrect, it's Poland. Science, St. Catherine, what is the most southern continent around the South Pole?
Antarctica.
Correct. Great start. Is Antarctica the 5th, 6th, or 7th largest continent?
5th.
Correct. Television, it's a visual. St. Catherine, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Just say vulnerable.
Incorrect, it's Mr. Slate from the Flintstones. Great start. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Wait, Bam Bam.
Correct. English language, St. Catherine, spell prognosis.
Prognosis.
Correct. Great start. Spell lucrative.
Lucretive.
Incorrect. It's lucrative. St. Catherine. Sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and give the first and last names of this person.
Sadio Mane.
Incorrect. It's Bukayo Saka. Great start. Look at the monitor and give the first and last names of this person.
Antoine Griezmann.
That's right. General knowledge, St. Catherine. What is the capital of Chile?
Santiago.
Correct. Great start. What is the capital of South Korea?
Seoul.
Correct. Social studies, St. Catherine. In which Caribbean country is the Eugene Depuche Law School located?
Haiti.
Incorrect, it's the Bahamas. Social studies for Great Start. What is the name of the law school located in Trinidad and Tobago?
Hugh Woody Law School.
That's correct. Music, St. Catherine Prep. Complete the title of this Jamaican folk song. Fan Me Soldier.
Rise.
Incorrect, Man. Great start. Complete the title of this Jamaican folk song. Dip and Fall.
Back.
Correct. Mathematics, St. Catherine Prep. The area of a square is 1.96 centimeters squared. What is its perimeter? It's 5.6 centimeters. Great start. The perimeter of a square is 6.4 centimeters. What is its area?
2.56 centimeters squared.
That's correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Great Start Academy on 8 and St. Catherine Prep on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Remember your manners. Say good morning, Good afternoon, please, and thank you. It's nice to be important, but it's even more important to be nice. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.